Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you have a Ninja 15-in-1 SmartLid, you're going to love this pancetta and onion gratin. Oozing with soft buttery potatoes and topped with gruyere cheese, it's perfect served as a side or a main with a lovely salad. So I've got myself some potatoes here. We've got about 1 kilogram. I've just got white potatoes, 1 onion, and then we've got some ready diced pancetta, gruyere cheese. This is a slightly different one, but gruyere or any sort of hardish cheese will do. Some butter. I've got a stock pot there. I've got chicken. We've got some garlic puree, some black pepper, some salt, and then a little bit of thyme just to garnish at the end. So you're going to use your Ninja 15-in-1 SmartLid here, and you're going to put everything into the pot. So first thing up, grab those potatoes, give them a good peel, and then we're going to take our onion and we want to slice this really thinly. So as thinly as you can. You see there, I've got these lovely little slices of onion. And then we want to do the same thing with the potatoes, so as thinly as you can. Obviously, if you've got a mandolin, it would be much easier here, but I haven't, so I'm just slicing them nice and slowly and nice and thinly. So once you've done that to your potatoes and onion, open up your pot and we're going to choose the saute function. So choose that and pop your butter into the pot, and then that lovely finely sliced onion and your pancetta. And the idea is here, we're just going to brown them till they're nice and golden. So we're just going to get that butter warmed through and bubbling, and we're going to just keep going until they go a nice golden brown colour. So there we have it. So once that's happened, you want to turn off your machine and you want to just take those out of the pot and just pop them to one side. So make sure you get all those lovely little bits of bacon and onion out. And then we want to make our stock. So I'm just using a stock pot here. You can use real stock if you want, vegetable, chicken, beef, whichever you want. And I just like to put a little bit of garlic puree or lazy garlic in. You could put fresh garlic in this as well, just layer it between the potatoes. And then I've got that lovely cheese and I'm just going to finely grate it. That's going to sprinkle on top and make the top really lovely and crispy. So I've cleaned my pot out now, and what I'm going to do is layer directly into that pot. So get your potatoes and layer them into the bottom of the pot so that it covers the whole of the bottom. Then grab some of that pancetta and onion mix and just scatter it on top. Make sure that you've got lovely bits of bacon running through the whole gratin, and then a nice bit of sea salt and a crack of black pepper. And you're just going to repeat this until all of your potatoes, pancetta and onion mixture has gone. So I managed to get 3 layers of my onion and pancetta in here. And then finally the top layer should be potatoes. Grab that stock with the garlic in and you're just going to pour it all over. You want to make sure that this is going to cook your potatoes, so just pour it all over, then grab that beautiful cheese and scatter it evenly on top. So that cheese is going to bubble and make that lovely crusty top. So we're now going to combi steam and choose steam roast, and that's for 20 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit or 180 centigrade. So once it's done, look at that. You see the lovely golden brown on the top, and underneath you've got that beautiful stock, and you've got those lovely potatoes that have almost gone translucent in the pot. So I just grabbed some thyme, put some little bits of thyme on top, just adds a lovely bit of flavour and also looks quite good. And you can see there, look at that lovely crunch of the potato on top, and then those beautiful potatoes underneath that are all soft, speckled with the pancetta and the onions running through it as well. Easy to do, doesn't take much time at all, and it tastes absolutely delicious.